recipe. So let's start it. For this we need paper cups, salt, black pepper powder, cumin powder, chaat masala, lemon juice and boiled corn. Start. Add all the spices one by one in the corn. And mix it properly. Take it out in paper cups for serving. You can decorate it with coriander leaves. And it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.